minutes. So exactly we'll start around 8:46 or 8:47. So still people are joining the session. Okay, once again, very good morning, everyone. So, welcome to another episode of Pre-Bill. So, before starting, this is our disclaimer. So, whatever we are discussing in this web presentation, please do not consider it as a buy or seller recommendation. So, this all the information we are sharing for only for education purpose. So, please consider it before you invest in any securities. So let's move on to the market. So what happened yesterday night? Like US market, if you see here, it has been closed negative to closed on a negative and flattish note. So even European markets also closed around negative note. Uh, okay, so yesterday US were bit US market like Federal Reserve were hawkish on right where the past releases like the interest rate hike and uh, inflation rate to tackle the inflation they are still hawkish on that, so that's what triggered the US market. So they ended up closing on a negative and flattish note. So today morning also US futures were trading on a slight negative note. So taking cue from USA, even Asian markets are close negative. Uh, if you see from China, Shanghai Composite are trading positive. Yesterday, China has been released its economic data, uh, but that data is still compared to last month. The manufacturing has been slightly cut down from China front, and SGX Nifty currently trading in a flattish to negative note. So let's see how it goes in today's market. So these are the key news. So US economy shrunk at annual rate of that GDP 1.6% in Q1. So this is a first decline after Q2 2020. Basically after the COVID, where the increase started from 2020, the second quarter, the slowing down of what lockdown and all which have been started. So this is happening after that. So also GST Council withdraws exemption on few household items. Few household items are like wheat flour, packaged wheat flour, paneer, buttermilk, and few other stuff. So GST Council withdraws on exemption of that particular products. And Brent foods, it has been gaining from last 3 days. So yesterday it has a bit it has fallen by around something around 1.5%. So currently trades at 116 dollar per barrel. So rupee closed, it's already trading at all-time low for us. So it's trading at around $79. So some more pain we might expect and it might be a beneficial for IT sector as well. So let's see how it goes. And dollar index trades at 105. And we have a couple of couple of news from Tata Motors. So they have been given a electric buses approval from Delhi government. So for the 1,500 electric buses, and Biocon has acquired 26% stake in renewable energy sources 11 for 7.5 crores. Okay. So Minda buys around 5.2% stake in Frevo AG Germany for euro 14 $15 million. Okay, so these are the new key news from the sector. So let us move on to uh, equity market. So let us move on to derivative front. So how it is placed. So if you see here, Nifty PCR at around near to 1%, near to one. So that's it. That is a bit kind of flattish note, flattish to sideways note for Nifty. So maximum QI is placed around 16,000, 16,200. So we can see upside something around this range, and downside 15,500, 15,700. Majority of the option interest are placed. Okay, on the bank Nifty, something around 34,000 and 35,000 levels on 33,000, 32. So there is a 1,000 point difference in the bank Nifty. So let us move on to technical levels of Nifty. So currently Nifty is trading around 15,800 levels. Okay, so this is the key level where the major support was taking place, and currently from last 3 days it is trading near that zone. After that small breakout from this trend line, it did not hold that trend line and it closed from last 3 days. So yesterday also the volume were quite higher compared to last 10 trading session. Okay, so currently what we can say is 15,900 will continue act as a resistance. So once it closes, sustainable closes above 15,900, we can expect this gap to be filled something around 16,100, 16,200 kind of level. We can expect from Nifty, but as of now, it has to close above 15,900. And major support is placed around 15,000, 15,550 kind of level. In one or two this levels are one or 2 days of levels where it is a major support is placed around this level. Okay, and regarding bank Nifty, regarding Bank Nifty, also similar kind of situation, but Bank Nifty has been underperformed largely with the benchmark Nifty 50. So after that breakout, it is trading some in the same downside from that. It didn't hold that trend line. So yesterday also it has formed a doji, a sort of a doji candle yesterday. It indicates a indecisiveness in the market. Okay, so once again, that level is 34,000. So 30, well above, close above 34,000. We might expect another good bounce back till 34,500, 35,000 levels. But major support is placed around 33,000, 33,000, 32,900 levels is major support is placed. So this is regarding Bank Nifty. So it's kind of major trend is still negative with sideways trend. So volatility might be volatility might be expected in today's session. Okay, so that's all. And also one more sector which is making a uh, very good, showing the sign of strength, like Nifty Auto. Okay, so it's near all-time high, near to the all-time high. It is already given a trend line breakout from from here. So from the highs of November and January high, it has given a very good trendline breakout, and currently trading above that trend line breakout and near to its all-time high. It is a sustainable close above this 12,000 level might move another another 2-3 thousand kind of levels from this in auto space. So this sector is among the all among all sector, this sector is showing some great resilience. So keep an eye on this auto sector and this auto components and other OEM manufacturing components. So that's it from today's pre-bill. Thank you all.